Greetings to all my aspiring, budding school students who are just setting your career planning. In higher secondary, we are identifying our interest in the subjects. Whichever subject we are interested with, that we take as a major subject in the college. So for this, the career planning is a very important, preliminary, very significant role in every student's life. Career planning, when you Google it out, there are many steps for career planning. In fact, the research in Google tells you about the pyramidal, cone shape, and many other parameters for this career planning. In a nutshell, today I want to tell about only like 4 steps being primarily involved. There are 4 I's. The first I is being insightful. Insightful means you have to search within yourself what is your interest. If it is going to be maths or physics, you're interested in trading, commerce, business, entrepreneur, economics, or AI again. So all this will tell you what is your basic interest. So you have to first be very insightful. So insightful is the first I. The second I is you have to identify really what are the major courses that are telling you about this maths, physics, and your AI. Look out for different types of like interest. See, some of you will be having many hobbies also. Your hobbies cannot be part of your major course of study. So hobby can always be in the other way also. A student who is very good at trading will also be very good at coding. You can take any one to be your major course, the other to be as your hobby or passion, where you can develop your skill set. The second I is going to be prioritizing your interest. For example, you may be a very good banker or a trader. At the same time, you wanted to do something in coding or in the hacking courses, you are very interested. So one course only can be taken as your major study. The other could be your hobby. You can always develop the secondary as a skill set also. So if your hobby is going to be painting again, it could be studied as a major course, or you are more interested in again towards this psychology, take psychology as a major course. Have your painting as a skill set. So the one day or ideally both will be going hand in hand and you will find broader employability opportunities. The second I is only about prioritizing your interest. Third I is going to be fixing a role model, fixing an inspiration. Third I basically I will say inspirational role model you have to search for. When you are very good at AI, so who will be your role model? Have some goal setting. So find out in your areas of interest the major people of inspirations, who is getting inspired, who is inspiring entrepreneur, who is going to be an inspiring doctor, inspiring engineering field, again who is an inspired software engineer or a very inspirational banker. Take them as a role model and fix your small goals towards it. And the last I is going to be the major important step again, identifying your college, identifying the course. So this identification has again several steps. You have to look in for a particular course, and that particular course, whether it is accredited or not, you have something called NAAC accreditation, NBA accreditation, NIRF ranking. So these are all, you have department wise, course wise, institutional wise ranking. So when you are looking out for the colleges, look out for these courses which are accredited. So if this accreditation is there, obviously the courses will be of very high value. It will have its own importance. So then you can go on for the college identification, then your departments, the lab facilities, how many skill sets labs they have. These days you have something called non-Mudalvan courses. The government itself is very much like they are particular on, they are insisting on these skill set courses. So you can find out the colleges or institutions having various laboratories for these skill sets. To summarize again, there are 4 I's. First I being insightful, second I prioritizing your interest, third I being setting up a role model or inspiration, and the fourth I is identification of the college and course. Wish you all the best for all your successful career. Thank you.